today I'm supposed to go to Ethel, but unfortunately I didn't make it because of the hot weather. The trip to Ethel was cancelled this round, so probably because it's summer time. So I spent the time here today around in Las Vegas. I'm right now in one of the theme parks in Las Vegas. I'll show you around shortly. The weather here, if you ask me, is not the best time to come here during summer time. No. And it's a mistake that I didn't bring my sunblock throughout this whole trip. It's very drying, the weather. You need to drink a lot of water, and sunblock is required. I heard the water here at the theme park is still very cold. I'm going to check it out shortly. It's really, summer is not the best time here in Las Vegas. So probably winter and autumn time. You can see that the wind is still blowing. Can you see my hair? You can see it's still very windy, but I'm just not sure why is it like it's still very warm. You can feel the heat on your face and also on your body during summertime. I think because it's only in Las Vegas, because in LA I didn't experience, although in LA is also hot, but you don't feel the heat directly, like it's too warm. So I prefer the weather in LA during summertime more than Las Vegas, but it's a good experience to come here. If you haven't been to Las Vegas before, I would say it's still a must visit, but maybe don't do it during summertime. So let's go around the theme park. Let's go!
magic show. Live magic show. All the way to Las Vegas for the magic show. And I heard that David Copperfield is retiring in October, so we are very lucky we get to watch before he retires. We are back again for another show tonight, MGM Grand Hotel. I'm not sure, 1.5 hours show. We were here last night for the car show. Now is David Copperfield show. walking towards to watch the show, David Copperfield Magic Show. Going in now, no camera. I need to off my camera now. See you guys.
These are Emmys Awards. Emmys Awards. One of the
Emmys Awards.
Welcome to the David Copperfield Theater. Want to enjoy a refreshing beverage and snack during the show? Please visit the concessions, which are located directly outside the entrance to the showroom.
Morning guys, today is my last day in Las Vegas. Before I leave, I'm going to check out and see some cactus around. Very tall and also big cactus here. You can see here in Las Vegas, easily found in the desert of course. I haven't seen the very tall cactus before. I'm going to check it out and also right now, after that I'll be going to nearby one of the outlets here in Las Vegas. I believe it's still within Las Vegas area. I'm going out to check out the outlet. It's quite a big outlet, and before of course I'll be heading to LA again for shopping and also shopping again, and before heading back home. It's really hot, the weather here. It's really very hot, especially summertime, summer in the desert. Summer, can you imagine summertime in desert? I think it's a challenge, and I guess it's also a good experience. I've never experienced summertime on the desert. It's really very hot, but people here, I think they are very used to it, and I have yet to get used to this weather yet. Hot weather, yes, but hot drying, very thirsty. I will see you guys later. Very hot. My outfit of the day. I'm wearing this sunglass again from Prada. Jacket, black jacket from Topshop, and also my outfit is from Forever 21.
directly, I will put the link here. It's quite a big outlet. I can see many brands here. I will show you guys shortly. I can see Polo, CK, Nike, Kate Spade. What else? All the brands that you need, Coach, Tommy, they are all here. I don't have a lot of time. We'll see you guys later.